Hey guys, we are in Target. Me and Monty were hanging out for a little while Catherine is still at work. So we're hanging out. This is cute. Is that balloon in the bag? Look, mine's a fanny pack radio. Don't open that yet, please. Thank you. I'm in trouble. Yeah, so we're hanging out at Target. Catherine gets off in like another hour. So we're gonna hang out for a little while longer and then start heading to her job. So
where's my phone? My phone.
What phone?
My phone. My phone.
It's at home.
I thought put it in your bag.
No. Please get out of my book bag.
Okay.
Thank you.
I go check.
No, it's in it's in the bedroom.
Okay.
Yep.
Charging?
Probably not. So yeah, she loves Target, and I promised her next time that she came to my job that we would go to Target. So we're here, and she just trying to get everything, but I'm like, no, you can't get everything. Mommy don't got that kind of money. So we're here hanging out. Oh my God!
Oh,
I'm a story. Look at this.
now what's this pink one? What's the pink red thing?
Okay, it's fine. You sure? That's what she's picking.
Yeah.
Some kind of Mars mud. It's like $1. Yeah, so we're hanging out. But, you know, I don't really get to hang out with her much. So when I do, we just do whatever not whatever, but most of what she wants to do, you know? I don't know why she chooses Target, but that's her favorite place.
9, 3, 1.
Really?
So yeah, this is the toy hour in the toy hour. She's looking at the toy that she might get.
8, 0, 6.
Can I
What?
get this?
Come on, look at the price.
I don't know.
$25.
No,
Thanks for shopping.
Exactly.
you're not welcome.
I didn't say thank you. So you're not welcome. So petty. They want this for $10. Are they crazy? This little thing for $10.
I want American now.
You want American Doll?
I always did.
This is not an American Doll. This is our generation. And these don't look like you.
They need to look like me?
Yeah, American Doll is kind of like a doll that kind of looks like you.
I don't want a doll that looks like me. It'd be creepy.
She said it'd be creepy.
I want a friend, no twin.
Aw, how sweet. I want a friend, not a twin. Hey!
Yeah?
Hey.
Yeah.
So, what if I have another kid?
Make it happen. And if it's their twin, then here you go. Stop. Where you go? I'm not leaving out.
Okay, bye.
No, leave me.
There's more toys on this aisle. See? They got Shopkins. You used to love Shopkins.
Where's Shopkins?
Oh, this is Shopkins.
Oh, yours?
Yeah.
That wasn't me. I don't know who that was.
Yes, it was.
Okay.
But have you guys been noticing that my videos are a little bit cloudy? I don't know why, because they're clear on my phone, but they look kind of cloudy on video on YouTube. It's so weird. But we're gonna figure out how we're gonna have to get like a camera or something. But I need you guys to give these videos a thumbs up and please subscribe. I need you guys to do that for us so that we can give you guys better videos. It's something that we positively, you know, would love to keep on doing and we want to keep on doing. But we need you guys' help. So we need you to what, Kimani?
Subscribe and like and comment.
Look at the camera.
Subscribe and
Ready, guys? A 5, 6, 7, 8.
Hello?
I'm not giving up today.
Subscribe, like, and comment down below. No negativity on these comments, please. Because if you do, then we're going to be like, okay. And we don't do that negativity stuff. We're all about positive comments. So yeah, guys, we are, you know, we're trying to give you guys better videos, and you know, so we need you guys to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Let us know some things that you want us to do or would like to do, and then we will comment back to you. We're not afraid of commenting back. We would love to talk to you guys, people who are, you know, liking and subscribing. Thank you guys so much, and get to you to do it. Show us the utmost love. We appreciate that. But I think we're going to hang out a little bit more and then head over to see Babe. So until we meet again or we see each other again. Bye. Love you guys. Mwah.